Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bicho's collection. It is none other, guys, than the Tarantula from Java. When I saw this in the advertisement, I was like super excited. Yeah, I'm a nerd. But anyway, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and while you're motoring around down there, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also, guys, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the cards. And well, guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or in English, Bugs. And guys, this is none other than the Tarantula of Java. Look at it, it's pretty cool. Tarantulas are kind of awesome. And here it says, learn everything about tarantulas. Let's open this up. And here it talks a bit about tarantulas. It gives a little description, a little bit about their habitat, as well as other observations. You see the slide there. Here it talks a little bit more about them. That one. Let's open this up. Furry and padded, it says. Three centimeters is pretty kind of big. Tarantulas in all the world, and it shows some different types of tarantulas that live in different parts of the world. Well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out our brand new Tarantula from Java. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new Tarantula from Java. But before we show it complete, I wanted to show you one thing that maybe you saw before, but it's broken. In the corner there, look at that. It's not completely like the plastic, he still preserved it, but it's a bit sad that he's broken in parts. But well, he's pretty cool anyway, but there's the side. And the back. Even though it's kind of disappointing that it's broken, I kind of really like it anyway. When I saw it in the collection, I was pretty excited about it. There's this back again. And let's see if we can show his little face. Oh well, I'm gonna go back to the front, guys. And I'm gonna put him back down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.